Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can increase Google Chrome download speed. Just click the three dots, then help about Google Chrome. You see, my Chrome is up to date. If yours is not, it directly updates itself. Then performance. From here, turn off memory saver. Also turn off energy saver. Then go to extensions. From extensions, from here, delete this one. Right flags. Search for parallel downloading. You see, enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, Lacrosse. Just enable it. Then relaunch. After relaunch, it is better to restart your computer. Please don't forget to leave a comment and like the video. Have a nice time.